Someone asked me, how can I promote my affiliate links with this question? So, in this video, I will show you guys how I promote my affiliate links online and the platform that I use most to promote my affiliate links. So, you need to watch these videos and pay attention to this video very well, right? So, the first thing is that when it comes to promoting your affiliate links, you need something like let your mindset be like this thing, I need to promote it in the way that people will understand what talking about, right? Because just imagine you are posting something that even when someone come across it, they will not understand what you are talking about. So how can people reach out to you when they don't understand what you're talking about, right? So you need to watch these videos to the end, so don't miss any part of these videos. And in this video, I will tell you the best way or the one that has worked for me right at the end of this video. So from the list that I will show you guys. So from the beginning, if you are a beginner and you just come across this video and don't know what we are talking about, so when we are talking about your affiliate link, so it's just your unique that you get from a website, right? So to get from a website to promote their product or to promote their platform, right? So with that link, you can track everything that is working, that is going on with your link, right? So on their platform, they have some statistic that you can just watch, like how many people are visiting your link, how many people are purchasing what you are promoting to them, and your revenue from that platform, right? So that's what the affiliate links mean. So affiliate is someone that partner with a brand or a company that sell their product or give out the offer of the products and wait for their commissions in return. All right. So right now, let's move into how you can promote your affiliate links, which I'll show you on my screen right now. So on my screen, you see why promotions matter right here. So more visibility, more clicks, and more commissions. The more you reach out to people, like you gain more visibility, the more clicks, right? So imagine you are at home right now, you didn't post, you didn't do anything, there's nobody that will come for you, okay? But if you go out online, you post, you tell people about it, so people will click on your link, right? If you give your link out, people will click on it when it gets visibility, and the more visibility it gets, the more click it gets, and the more commission you'll be making, right? So that's why the promotion is matter. You need to promote that link for you to make money or to get your own commissions, right? So build trust with your audience. So that's number two right here. You need to build trust with your audience. Just imagine you have a social media page. It can be Facebook, it can be YouTube, it can be Twitter or Instagram, and you have a lot of followers or subscribers, right? So you need to build trust with them. Let them know you, know each other's online. Like this is what this person really knows that can help me with what I'm doing, right? So one thing is that when some people start building their brands online or start promoting something, they will just come online. Like, let's imagine, let me use this as an example. Like, I'm promoting graphic design course right now, right? As a newbie, some people will just come online and say, I'm a graphic designer, come and design your flyer, come and design. No, that's not how things done. You know, I'm a graphic design, right? And I want to build trust with my audience. What I need to do is that I go to my Canva or any other social media platform that I'm using to create my design. So what's next that I will do is that I post the design, I create the design, and I post it on my page for people to see. Once people are seeing this design every day, okay, every time, every day, they will have interest in it, that okay, well, this is what this person is doing. They will come and reach out to you about it if they have interest in it or they wanted to do something about it, right? So that's why you need to learn how to promote. Not just about coming online and say, come and buy this, come and buy this, come and do this, come and do that. No, give values to people. That's how you can build trust online, right? So the more people that trust you, the more commissions that you two will be making when you are promoting your affiliate links, right? So they will have trust in you with everything that you are doing in this online space, right? So the number three here is to help create a long-term passive incomes, right? Passive income stream for people, right? So the main work for you to do is that you get some opportunities that you can give out to your audience, can give out to your audience that will be a long time that can make money for them, or that can make money for them too, right? So that's why you need to get some a long term projects that you can give out to your audience for free. Give out to them for free. Let them enjoy it and make money from it, right? If it is a tutorial that you can teach them for free. Let them have experience in all these things before you start selling your own thing, right? So the more value you give, the more commission that you too will be making back. So right now there are the top promotion methods right here which I will talk about. So the number one here is social media management, right? So or social media marketing, either the one that you call it. So when we are talking about social media marketing, we are talking about going on a Facebook and do market about what you are selling or your affiliate links that you have. So you need to do when it comes to market your products. So on social media like marketing, you need to learn it very well, and it's easy for a newbie. What you need to do is that you go to your ChatGPT, then you give ChatGPT a prompt about what you want to do market about. Let it do the research for you, right? ChatGPT will do the research for you to the extent that you to you will know what's next for you to be start posting, right, about the marketing, right? So it will give you the marketing strategies that you can use to make money online. That's what we call social media marketing, right? You leverage on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok to do your marketing to get people for the product that you're selling or for your affiliate links. All what you need to do is to create a valuable content. So you post in the morning, the afternoon, and night. You can just add your link to one post, right? Or you add your link in your bio so that people can click on the link and come to your affiliate links landing page, right? So the next one, number two, is content marketing. Which one? This content marketing is based on is like social media marketing too. But when it comes to content marketing, you need to be someone that can read content, that can write content very well. It can be the video content like the one that you are watching right now, or it can be a podcast, or it be a blog post like articles that to sell what you are doing online, right? So the number three here is email marketing for you to promote your affiliate links. So email marketing is working, and there's a lot of way for you to do email marketing. I know there are some people that say, okay, how will I get people to subscribe for me to do the email marketing? So if you want me to do video for you on how to scrape email online and send your email to 1,000 people within the 10 minutes or 20 minutes, so I will do a video for you guys on how to scrape email online and start promoting your affiliate links with them, right? So number four right here is paid advert. So this one is really working very well, but it's not for a newbie when you just started. But as a newbie, if you have the money to get started, you can just start with it. But when you start as a newbie, there is no possibility for you that the profit you will make will be enough, right? It might be the money that you spend as a beginner, but you can still start. The moment you start, you gain a lot of things. All right, you get a lot of experience from it. So this paid advert is based on Facebook advert. There's some ways. If you want to run advert on Facebook, you need to pay. We can pay on Twitter to run advert, on TikTok too to run advert. Like you see on my screen right now, I run advert with TikTok, with Facebook, with Google Ads, right? There's Google Ads there which you can pay to and start running your own advert, right? So you just need to understand that paid advert is not for a beginner, but a beginner can still start if that person have the money. Because when you just started, there is no possibility for you to get a conversion on what you are doing. But at times, this thing is 50-50. Is either you start now and you don't make anything, or you start and start making big. Because I can tell you, as I say that I will show you guys how I did it, but I will tell you at the end of this video how I did it and the platform that first give me my first sales online as an affiliate marketer, right? And you too can try the same and it will work for you, because I know that for it to work for me, it will work for others too. So number five right here is WhatsApps and Telegram broadcast. So when you are getting a list of people on your WhatsApps or your Telegram, maybe people are reaching out to you, right? So you can just promote. Like, imagine you have do a content marketing or social media marketing. Like people have reached out to you on your WhatsApps that they have interest with what you are doing. They have reached out to you on WhatsApp or your Telegram. What you need to do is to build a broadcast list and add those people into the broadcast list. Then you promote your offers, your affiliate links with them. Okay, that would be the easiest way. Like once you send the message in your broadcast list, everybody will see the message so that those people that have interest in what you are doing, they will come to you, reach out to you, and pay you for the offer, right? Or register if it's just a link for them to sign up or to buy something. Once you have created valuable content around the product, it will be easy for you to promote the affiliate links. That's why people are stuck online. It's not the day that you start getting people, and it's not the day that people start coming to you that they will start buying what you are selling. So just forget about that thing, right? So you need to be consistent. If minimum of, let's say, 60 days before things is started growing on your page or any other things. And the last one is Quora and Reddit and forum. A lot of people don't know how to use Quora, Reddit and forum, but I will do some research on how to use the Quora very well so that you will not be stuck. It will be a full tutorial masterclass that you guys can go into and start making your marketing stuff easy, right? So I will just talk about the social media management right now. So here are the things that you need to know about social media marketing. So the first thing is that you share tips and solutions that naturally links to your product. Like I said before, you need to share things, okay? Not just that you just come to the social media and start posting your link. Even at for that thing, you are violating the platform, right? So you just need to share tips and solutions and natural links to your product, right? So on my screen, you see on my screen, and the number two right here is that you use Reels and carousel and stories to get more visibility, right? The more people that are seeing you, the possibility that you make a lot of money from the thing that you are doing. And the last one here in the social media marketing is there. Add the link to your bio or call to action. Like I said before, don't put the link on your post direct, okay? You just need to direct people to the call to actions where you want to put the link, either on your bio or you create another post for the link. So you direct them to the link, not just that the post that you post that are being engaged and you just add your link. So people will say, these people want to sell. That's why you write all this ad copy like this. So they will not want to buy from you, right? So what you need to do is that you need to add the link into your bio or have your call to actions where people will go. And when it comes to content marketing right now, so you write blog post or make YouTube videos, right? So as I said before, you write blog posts or YouTube videos. So focus on product review. When it comes to having a content marketing, so you just need to do review. Let's say you wanted to sell graphic design like the example I did before. So you need to do review of the graphic design, the design that you have made, maybe when you just started or and the one that you are doing recently. Like, so they will know that okay, this person is an expert right now that they can partner with and start getting some design from them, good design, and then there's comparisons and tutorials about what you are doing. That's one is okay for you to start making money and get people to purchase what you are selling online, and then add your affiliate links in the description or articles. So not all articles and your description. So just need to add it. Maybe you post 3 times a day, add it to your one post, right? So as people engage with your post, they will keep coming back. They will keep coming back till they get what you are promoting to them one day, right? So this one is email marketing, like I said before. So you need to build a list using a lead magnet. So there is a lot of things we call lead magnet. If you are a newbie, like it can be a template or ebook that you can give to people in exchange for their email so that you can start doing your own marketing. Like, so that's how you can build a list on email marketing. Because some people are stuck getting list of email and then you send variable content plus software promotion. Like, you need to understand this very well and always include your affiliate links with a call to action. With this email marketing, you can include your affiliate links with every post that you send so that people will reach out to you, right? So WhatsApp and Telegram strategy right here. So all what you need to do is to join or create a niche group. When you can join the group or you create your own group, right? So share valuable, consistent, and drop your affiliate links as part of Apple messages, right? So what do you need to do and you don't need to do when it comes to marketing online, right? So do is that be honest and transparent. So focus on solving a problem and use your own experience, right? When it comes to marketing online, so focus on your own experience. So and find a way to solve a problems online. The more problem you solve, the more money that you'll be getting, right? So you don't see here is that don't spam your links everywhere. Like I said before, not just every post you'll be posting your link. Know how to post the link so that you don't violate the platform you are working with and oversell or lie about the product. If you don't know anything about the product, go and learn more before you jump into it and start promoting it online to people, right? So that your brand will be good, be in a standard way, right? So violating platform policy, the more link you are posting anyhow, you are violating platform policy. So you need to stop all this and learn how to do marketing, easy marketing, and you make money. And then these are the tools that you need that will help you in this journey, right? To promote your affiliate links. So the one is link shortener. So you can use Bitely or Rebrandly, okay? Either the one of the two. And there's other, you can go and search for others. But this one of the two is the one that is most popular, right? And then the number two is that you need a landing page where people will come. When they click on your link in your bio, where people will come to. So your landing page, you can build it with a system.io or CAD. Okay, I think CAD doesn't allow free to be good right now, but you can still use system.io, which they give you free access to create a landing page. Okay, plus the email marketing, and then email tools that you can use. There we have Mailchimp and GetResponse that you can use. Okay, they have free versions and they have paid. Right, so content creators, you need Canva and your ChatGPT to create the content. Get the content idea from ChatGPT. Use Canva to design or what you need to do to promote your product online. And the final tips that I have for you guys is that be consistent with your content. Okay, build trust, not just traffic, and you need to understand that focus on value, not just sales, and then track your results to improve. So in what I have talked about right now, the one that worked best for me is Facebook because I made my first sales with Facebook. Like I said before, the paid advert, so you can start and make money, or you start and you don't make money. So when I start my Facebook advert for the first time, I didn't make any dime. All the money just wasted. But I tried again the second time and it worked for me. And since that time, I've been making my own sales consistently. And then question and answer. Let's discuss right now. Okay, so if you have any question, go to the description, just go to the comment sections of this video and ask your questions there, which I will give answers to it. When I check the comment sections, I will do a video for you to give you the answer about what you are talking about. So let's talk about how you can apply this to your business, please, in the comment sections. Let's talk about how you can apply this to your business, right? So you can ask your question in the comment sections right now. So if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share with your friends so that they can understand how to promote their affiliate links too.